The migration section of this assignment is asking you to find number of in-migrants and number of out-migrants. The term for out-migrants is sometimes emigrants with an E. The term for in-migrants is usually immigrants with an I. Colloquially, in everyday language, we often use the word immigrants to refer to anybody who's leaving their country or coming into their country. You're going to look for either one of these terms when you're looking for data. And then total population. Ignore this. The Census Bureau's International Database does not have this. This is the components of population growth table, and all it has is net number of migrants per thousand, so that's net migration rate, and then the net number, which is the actual count, which is in this case for Algeria, of negative 36,527 people, so that many left. But it's not getting us our in-migrants and our out-migrants. That's our net. We don't know how many people left and how many people came in. So we're going to need to go someplace else for that. Here, this is week 3, resource web-based sources of demographic databases. I've added these 2. And the UN Migration Data Portal is fairly easy to use. And here we go, our immigration and our emigration. Now, that's really getting us something called stock. And you need to understand the difference between stock and flow. We will go into this more when we talk about migration later, but for right now, for collecting data, stock means how many people live here right now that are from somewhere else, that migrated here from another country, who are immigrants to the United States, 50.7 million. It's not telling us our flows. That's how many are coming in and how many are going out. I'm clicking on the word data again so that I could get this back. What we want then is our flow. Inflows of foreign population, immigration flows, emigration flows. These are the 2 pieces of information I want you to get. Immigration, when I click on that, you'll see now I only have a very limited number of countries to choose from. I'm going to pick, and I'm not even going to get a table here. I'm just going to find the country. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go with Ireland. So I'm going to click on it so it stays still. 59.3 thousand in 2013. That's the year that this is available for right here. And I believe I could change that up here to get my 5 years. So I could do that once. Okay, I'm writing down 59.3 for year 2013. I asked you to do this over 5 points in time, so it doesn't matter there. 2010, 52.3, look at that. Not much change. 2005, 102, so there's like way more coming in 2005. So just work your way through, jotting down, pick 5 points in time, jot down those immigration flows. Now we have emigration flows, people leaving. Same thing, so this is 2013, 83.8 left. So actually in 2013 there was net out migration. And then I can change this, making sure that it lines up with the same dates that I picked when I did immigration flows. So immigration flows, emigration flows, those get you number of in-migrants, number of out-migrants. And then you're going to turn to the pages in here that cover that. That looks like that's, here we go. This is going to show you how to do an emigration rate, an immigration rate, and a net migration rate. And that is what I'm asking you to do here, right there. And then asking you maybe a way you could figure out immigrants thinking back on your demographic equation. And that is how we deal with part 4 of this. Part 5 I'm not going to create a video for. All of this can be found in the international database, and it is fairly straightforward at that point.